In this tutorial, we will study asynchronous programming using Flutter and also demonstrate an example. Asynchronous programming is a programming paradigm where tasks are executed concurrently, allowing the program to continue executing other tasks without waiting for the completion of a particular operation. It enables non-blocking execution, which improves the responsiveness and efficiency of the program. I will give a real-life example to understand synchronous programming. Imagine you are cooking dinner in your kitchen. While you wait for the water to boil, you decide to chop vegetables. Instead of waiting for the water to boil before starting to chop, you choose to perform both tasks concurrently. This way, you maximize the use of your time and finish dinner preparation more efficiently. In this scenario, boiling water represents a synchronous task because you need to wait for it to complete before moving on to the next step, unlike chopping vegetables, which you can do simultaneously. Now, we are going to start the example program. I will explain more details as we go along. Let's begin by starting a blank project. Open the pubspec.yaml file and include the HTTP dependency. Then, press pub-get. The HTTP package in Flutter is a powerful tool that allows you to make HTTP requests to communicate with web servers or APIs. In this example, we fetch data from a remote server using the HTTP package. Declare a future variable. In asynchronous programming in Flutter, a future represents a potential value or error that will be available at some point in the future. It allows you to perform operations asynchronously and receive the result when it's ready. In this example, we fetch data from a remote server using the HTTP package. Declare a future variable. Here, we are fetching data from a remote server. That data will be stored in this variable. We fetch the data in the initState function. Create a fetchData function. It is an asynchronous function, so use the async keyword here. Then we receive the response from the remote website. In this case, the await keyword is used to pause the execution of an asynchronous function until a future completes and returns a value. Then we check what is included on this remote server. It's a list of posts in JSON format, which includes post ID, title, and body of the post. Next, we verify if the response variable contains data. If there is data, we decode it using the JSON decode function. Then, we return the data as a map object. Currently, we are extracting only the title value. Then proceed to the display part. We utilize the Future Builder to construct the UI. Future Builder is a widget in Flutter that streamlines the handling of asynchronous data. It enables you to create UI components based on the asynchronous snapshot of a future as it evolves over time. Require two parameters. The first parameter passes our _date future variable, while the second one is the builder where we design based on the data. Check if the connection is okay or if there are any errors. Run the app. Retrieve the data from the remote server and display it in our app. This concludes our lesson on asynchronous programming using Flutter. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching.